Okay, this is mainly a video for people who commission me because I need a quick tutorial on how to use CPM models in the game. And I thought I might as well post that so it's a little easier instead of having to send people random videos I find on the internet. So first things first, you need this mod, customizable player models. I recommend using Modrinth. I can't really help you if you end up using a different launcher and something breaks because I don't know what's happening. But if something breaks, do let me know and I might know the solution. Hopefully. Just, we'll find out. So first things first, whenever you load up your game with that mod, you need to open Skin Editor in the top left. And you should be brought here. If a bunch of pop-ups pop up, just like cancel out of them or click OK, and they should go away. And then you want to click File, Load, and then these three dots are going to take you to your files, where you need to find the model. I should have sent you a file that says CPMProject at the end. And that'll be your model. This is a current commission I'm working on, or not a commission, raffle winner, so I'm gonna be showing this one. Hold on, I noticed a little issue. Let me fix that real quick. Okay, let me do that again real quick. There we go, all fixed. So you'll get used to these keybinds eventually if you keep using CPM for the future. But real quick, if you have scaling on your model, this one doesn't. But if you have a model that's supposed to be bigger or smaller than the average person, you need to click Effects and enable scaling. The person who made your model should already have something in here, but if they tell you to do something with that, that's should be in your instructions for your model. And also, if you have any animations you want to make, they're in here. Good luck with that. Anyways, to continue into exporting to the game, you need to click File again, Export, just click OK. So real quick, you'll notice that it'll say Skin or Model, or whatever the hell that is. This isn't a skin. This isn't a skin. This is a model because it has 3D parts and the texture is bigger than 64 by 64. So we're just gonna click model here. You can name it whatever you want. Description could be whatever you want. For the icon, you should be full screened, otherwise this won't really work. You can take a screenshot. And then you don't need any of this. And then you just click export. All done. If it says that you're you have too many pastes, you just need to go here and delete some of these that you aren't using. But if it doesn't and it just says model exported, you should be good to leave. You don't have to save unless you've made any changes, like with animation or scaling, then you want to save. And then if we go into a single player world. Okay, and now we're in game. Oh, I'm set as my model. Ignore this. This is my model for Corion. So real quick, if you have a model that has scaling, so you're smaller or bigger than the average person, or your hitbox is different, you need to go CPM scaling all enabled. This will just ignore the error. It's because I already have it enabled. This will let you use your scaling in a single player world without it bugging out, because otherwise I would just be a giant, or like I'd be really small right now, even though this character right here is bigger than 2 blocks. Anyways, if we go to the... Oh wait, let me show you where this is real quick. So real quick, you need to keybind something called the gestures menu to a key that you'll be able to use. And that will open up this. You can ignore all this. This is just the gestures from your current model. If you've commissioned me for gestures, there will be these in here. So there is a toggle that has emotes and stuff like that on my commission sheets that you can buy. But if you don't have any, you could just ignore that. Anyways, we're gonna go into models. Oh, ignore the screenshot I just took. And this will take you to that same skin editor that was in the menu, but we don't need that right now because our model should be in here, but sometimes it's a little janky, so you'll have to refresh it a few times by just clicking this button up here. and then it should show up. Hold on, I just have way too many models, so I have to search quite a bit. I named it Fennec, didn't I? There it is, yes. If you set an icon, this is how it shows up, like this. I like to do headshots personally, but you can do whatever you like. Anyways, we're gonna click apply after we've selected on it. And it should load up in game, and you should be able to use it now. And other people can see this if they're using the customizable player models mod, and it's enabled on your server. But other than that, that is the end of the tutorial. If you have any issues, please let me know, because I should know the answer to them. If not, I can open a ticket in the CPM Discord and figure it out for you. But that's it. That's the model. You're done. You're free. If you open this up in other worlds, it should have your model automatically loaded into the game, unless it's a new mod pack, because it works the same way your mods work and it goes into your files, so you'll need to reload it if you go into a new mod pack. But you should be able to just use this tutorial again, and it should be able to help you until you have the keybinds memorized and you're all good. That's all. Have a good day. Bye bye.